Say it again. Say it again. What did you just say? What? Eh? Look away. What am I taking for a joke?
You take the joke. Say that again.
Say it again.
Say it again. You take
Maybe if you let me be your lover, maybe if you try, then I would not bother. I know you're trying. I know you're trying.
Everyone at youtube.com. It's me, Zoe, and I'm here today on my way to go back and look at the last apartment that I had looked at. I'm taking Bay with me now, so it's still not on you, so don't kiss your teeth.
No, say shit about babe. Don't mention me in that blood.
He's so, I love, you know how Marlon, how many people say you're so rude?
I don't give a what they say.
I know you don't care, but can you not curse, please?
I don't give a turn that off. You don't have a curse. Turn that motherfucking off. I don't give a you know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
This motherfucker like say my bum buckler.
Yes, I do know you. But anyways, that's what we're doing right now. So hopefully we get this place so we can move, because we both have things that we want to do before Christmas, and we do not want to be in where we are before Christmas. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. And then I have to go babysit. Don't be rude. Then I have to go babysit, and then I have to pick up Marlon's cousin from school. Okay, sorry, babe.
Yo, take your off. Take your off for me. Let's see your drive. Yo, let me slap you real hard, eh?
I saw your pussy tight.
Yo, don't man.
Your pussy nice, but it don't think it's so small.
Your poo-poo is paradise. Mar, your poo-poo is paradise, yo. I love looking at your eye and come, baby. Trust me, I swear to you, I'm not joking. Yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So if we more than likely we will look at it. Hopefully this time I can show you guys. Last time I don't know what happened, but my camera wasn't really working properly. So yeah. But there's no damn manners.
No,
Marlon, there's shit in your head, man. But making pizza, homemade pizza, take one. So there's our, what is this, tortillas? Yeah, she's on some like fat-free diet, like so dumb, like, but anyways, there's the pizzas with the tomato paste. Are we supposed to use tomato sauce?
No, paste is low fat. Okay?
You see what I mean? What I understand? I don't know what this pizza's gonna taste like, but lo and behold, people, just see with me. You guys are gonna sit on top of what is this? A squash? A pumpkin? I don't know what the hell this is, but y'all gonna sit on that. You guys will sit on the tortilla, and pray that I don't kill Kim. Yeah. Oh God. Okay, hold on. Hey guys. Yeah, some lights.
Don't put me on this.
Yeah, you're on it. I don't care.
You're
You're in it. I don't fucking care.
You span me ban your place, eh? So me don't want to be on this shit. Hurry up.
I can still see me, and I could light it up. So, anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna cut some peppers, and what else are you putting on it? We're putting on chicken, shrimp, and that's it. Oh, mushrooms and
Red pepper.
cheese. Should put some mint. She said I don't spend time with her, so I'm gonna make the pizza.
Yeah.
Like when she's gone and she's not here, ask her if she remembers anybody. But when she's here, she needs me. She alright.
Alright. Let's do this. Ready?
Yeah. Put some
The
oil
camera
in
ready?
it.
The camera ready?
You're so dumb. You're pretty far. They can't even see that close.
They can't see me fat.
You're
Use this.
stupid.
Me use it same way because I'm a bad man.
Yo, I can't deal with your evilest ways, eh? Trust me, I'm not involved. That's my brethren.
You're a bad man.
That's my brethren, eh?
You ever see me a bad man?
That's my brethren. I don't care. That's my brethren. Huh?
What other peasant?
We're making pizza.
Yeah, because you haven't done this today.
Well, Marlon's not dead yet, so
Man of the day? Okay.
I can't be that bad.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Tina. I'm 22 years old.
Right.
Young, single.
Wow, this is the first time I've been in my mother-in-law's kitchen and actually cooked. I'm not allowed in here when she's here, you know?
Good cooking, Zoel.
Thank you.
You know what?
Whoa, a half an hour!
It's like 15 minutes.
Anyways, no, I mean, that's how long it's been on there for. People, I don't want my phone to break, but oh shoot, look, there they are. Some of them. That's the first batch. And there's the bandit.
How long does that take for?
I don't know. You have the ingredients. I mean, the recipe. Anyways, people, the pizzas are in the oven. We're just waiting for them to come out. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see them, and I can't wait to eat them. Sorry, we're gonna eat pizza! You wanna say hi? To my subscribers? Say hi! Say hi, YouTube!
That's not YouTube.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's picture to pay.
It's a video, and it's gonna go on YouTube.
See?
Say hi
Dude.
to the subscribers on YouTube.
It's
Okay, never mind. She doesn't want to say hi, so yeah. Anyways, we're gonna, once the pizzas are finished, I will show you guys how they look. Hopefully they taste as good as they look, because they look pretty good. I mean, the ones that have the one that has everything on it. Because mushrooms are life. You still have that? Alright, be back. Alright, so this is the finished product. This was mine. Okay, people. So there's peppers, chicken, mushrooms, shrimp, and a whole bunch of cheese. Yeah. I don't know why Kim decided to use paste instead of sauce. Talk about tantrums. Hi, Lonnie. Hi, Nana. And that's it for today. So I'm going to eat this. Hopefully I don't die. Kim is still alive, so, you know. And yeah.
say I'm okay. What you say I'm okay.